Good morning, students of class 4. I hope you will be fine and happy. Students, today we learn chapter 10, Fundamental Concept of Geometry. This is our geometry chapter. Children, do you know about geometry? Yes, geometry is a kind of math where we can learn all about points, lines, shapes and angles. Let us start the topic. Children, I have already told you about line segment and ray in class 3. Let's learn more about these figures. What is point? A point is an exact location on a particular place. A point has no size. It has only position. A point has no dimension, no length, no breadth and no height. It has only position. A point is represented by a dot. It is named with a capital letter, point A, point B, point C, point D, and so on. The concept of point is given with the help of the pointed ends of the object. Look at the picture which have pointed ends. The pointed end of the needle is at the point A. The pointed end of the pencil at the point B. And the pointed end of the arrow is at the point C. Now line. What is line? A line is a collection of points. When we join the points, we make a line. Line has no end point. It goes forever and ever in both the directions. It cannot be measured. Look at this line. A and B are not the end points of the line AB. The arrow head indicates that it has no end point. The line AB can also be written as line AB. Line segment. Now line segment is a part of line. It has two end points and two fixed points. It does not go on forever and ever. It has no arrowhead. Line segment can be measured. It has beginning point and the ending point. The symbol of line segment is line AB or line segment BA. Now what is ray? A ray is a part of line that has one end point. A ray starts from a fixed point and extends endlessly in one direction. Fixed point is called the end point of the ray. Is the end point. A ray does not have a definite length. A is the end point and B the arrowhead. It means this point goes forever and ever in this direction. The symbol of ray is ray AB. Point A is an ending point of ray and point B, which is indicated with the arrowhead, goes continuous one direction without ending. The symbol of ray, look here. Now children, revise these lines in short way. Point A, line AB, line segment AB, ray AB. Now repeat again. Line, both the ends are unending, no end point, both sides have arrow, cannot be measured. A symbol is line AB. Line segment, both the ends are fixed. Two end points, no arrowhead, can be measured. Symbol line AB, line segment AB. Ray one end is fixed while the other is unending. One end point, one end has arrowhead, cannot be measured. The symbol is ray AB. Children, let's start your geometry work in your geometry copy. First of all, make the title page. Chapter 10, Fundamental Concept of Geometry. Now the definition, point, line segment in your copy. And from book exercise 10.1, these 6 fill the blanks. 2 in your copy. Page number 123 and 124. Now look the definition. Point. A point has no dimension, length, breadth, height. It is denoted by a small dot and it's usually named by a capital letter of alphabet. This figure draw in your interleave page. Line segment. A line segment is a line which joins two points together. It has a beginning and an end. Line segment is denoted by line segment AB. AB line 7 cm or 5 cm or 4 cm as you wish. Now this figure drawn your interleave page. Line is the collection of points with no end point. The line is denoted by line AB. Ray. A ray is a line which has one end and goes on forever and ever in one direction. The ray AB denoted as ray AB. These all four definitions do in your copy and also fill in the blanks from your book in your copy. And now worksheet pad, page number 41 and 42. Page number 41. Which word best describes the figure? What figure is this? Curved, line segment or point? Yes, they have two ending points means the line segment. Two arrowheads, line, point, your ray. Number 3, one arrowhead and one ending point. Only dot, two arrowheads, one ending point and one arrowhead. Now choose these words, the best, and thus page number 42. Name each figure and write as its symbol. Number 1, OP, two ending points means line segment OP. Now write in short way. Line AB. Line AB is two arrowhead. This is line AB and line. Two ending point, line segment and XY two end point. Dot X point. One arrowhead, ray, MN, ray. Two arrowheads, line QR. One arrowhead and one ending point, ray, and AB, the ray, and point A means dot, point, and point A. Now complete page number 41 and 42 in your worksheet pad. Now look your homework. This is your title page, Fundamental Concept of Geometry. Homework is for copy, definition, point, line segment and ray. Exercise 10.1, fill in the blanks, page number 123 and 124, 126 in your copy, and worksheet page number 41 and 42. Now students, thank you. Allah Hafiz.